I just had somebody make $10,000 using the simple trading strategy. This strategy is so accurate. I use this every single day. And in fact, this helps me average an 80 to 90% win rate on a weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis since 2022. And of course, if you don't believe me, all you got to do is hit that first link in the description, join the free server for Telegram. As you can see right here, we ended April, 28 wins, 4 losses. May, 18 wins, 3 losses. Then last month, June, 23 wins, 3 losses. Ended the quarter, 69 wins, 10 losses, gives an 87% win rate. Catch a total of 227,166 pips. We're just picking up where we left off quarter one, because we go to quarter one right here. You can see we ended quarter one. January 20 wins, 3 losses. February 19 wins, 3 losses. March 19 wins, 3 losses. In the quarter 50 wins, 9 losses, gives an 87% win rate. So not only do we do this on weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis, but we've been doing this literally since 2022 for going on 5 years straight. Go to where it says subscribers, you scroll down to photos. There's over 2,000 photos, 4 years worth of receipts. You can see screenshots, positions, screenshots of signals, student results, and testimonials. We got students getting funded. We got students getting paid out on the Forex side and the future side. We got students getting paid out in general. We really do this stuff over here, y'all. So make sure to click that first link in the description. Check all this stuff out. And of course, if you're going to eat with us, click those links in the. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Wave with the Playbook. Hope you have a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. So in this video, we're going to be breaking out this beautiful NAS 100 NQ setup. This ended up being a huge 1 to 3 RR setup, meaning whatever you would have risked would have made 3 times that amount. So if you would have risked $100, you would have made $200, almost $300. If you would have risked $1,000, you would have made almost $3,000 off this one trade alone. Not only did I catch this setup, look at the day at the bottom of the screen, Friday, July 17th. But you know I had to make sure the members and students ate with me as well. We're in advanced play signal. You see the same exact date, July 17th. You see the entry to SL to TPs. You see the NQ entry SL's TPs. You see the reactions. And then you see the final TV getting hit. We really do this over here, y'all. You see we entered this at 3:07 a.m. Final TV got hit at 4:18. So it was in this trade for literally just a little bit over an hour. On this video, we're going to explain exactly why we caught this setup and how you can catch a similar setup just like this one. So I've been hearing a lot of people online talk about NQ's been bad the past couple of weeks, but it hasn't really been bad. The issue is the internet teaches y'all to chase price. Why I teach the members and students at Playmaker University is the exact opposite. You do not want to chase price, but follow the flow of price. So you have to identify the trend on the bigger time frame. As we can see on the bigger time frame, it is a little bit choppy, but this is why it's important to understand market structure. Price can only do one or two things, go up or go down. If we're going up more than we're going down, we're trending upwards in the uptrend. If we're going down more than we're going up, we're trending downwards in a downtrend, right? So when we look at price right here, we see clear lower highs and lower lows, showing us that we're still in a downtrend. Trading is about going for high probability, high quality setups. So as long as I'm in a downtrend, I'm only going to go for sales. So now the question is, how do we know the trend is going to continue if or when the uptrend is going to come into play? And that's exactly why I wrote the price action technical analysis playbook. Price action technical analysis playbook. Now I give this book completely for free, as well as my other playbooks when you join Playmaker University. Or if you want to get this copy individually, all you got to do is comment playbook in the comments and I got y'all. And since we're in a downtrend, all we're going to do is go to the rules of the downtrend. And like it says right here, for price to continue going down, it has to break support levels and turn them into resistance levels. That is what creates the lower low. The only way the uptrend will come into play is if price breaks past the lower high or breaks past the lower high and turn the previous resistance level into a support level, like how the green arrow shows. We have the lower high right here, we have the lower low right here. So like the playbook said, the only way the uptrend will come into play is if we turn this resistance level into support, like how the green arrow shows. So as we can see, we have not done that. So I'm gonna continue to look for sales. Now that we know we're in a downtrend looking for sales, this is when we mark off our key price levels. All right, boom, we have our key price levels marked off. So now that we have our key price levels marked off, this is when we hop into the smaller time frame. So not only do you want to look for sales only in a downtrend, but you want to enter sales off resistance levels. So where price is currently, I'm either gonna look for price to retest this level and see if we can maintain it as resistance. I'm gonna wait for the BCR at this level, which stands for break, close, retest, and then look for sales here. So then from this point, all we have to do is patiently wait to see what level of price is going to touch in BCR. So we have the break close right here. So the right going into the London session 3 a.m. open candle, we're looking for the retest. And as we can see here, we're now holding this level from a support to a resistance. So after this happened right here, this was my green light to take the sell side after we had this retest. So obviously this is about replay, simply to understand what happened in real time, but we entered when price was at this level, showing it was holding as resistance. And then when it rejected down, that's when we hopped into the setup. This is why you go with the flow of price, because when the volume kicks in, more times than not, it's going to go in your direction of favor, as you can see right here. Identify the trend. Uptrend, only go for buys. Downtrend, only go for sells. Mark off your key price levels, enter buys or support, sells off resistance, wait for the BCR, and let the markets do what the markets are going to do. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description to join the free Signal and free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my Signal service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. If you're interested in taking your trading to the next level and learning directly from me, join Playmaker University, or I recommend scheduling a one-on-one session where profitable traders and confident traders are made. Not only are you going to get my complete strategy in video format, going over how to read the charts, how to identify my key price levels, those blue and gold lines y'all stay asking me in the comment section, how to enter and exit trades, how to trade news, my scalping strategy, my secret buy and sell limit strategy, trading psychology, how to deal with wins and losses, how to scale into trades, how to never blow your account again, how to double your account every month. But you will also get daily analysis setups for life, student member group chat, daily trade recaps for life, exclusive New York Lives and trading plan Zooms, and y'all gonna get my famous price action technical analysis playbook that works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. And on top of that, you're going to get the trader's mindset, mastering psychology and risk management playbook that goes over leveraging risk, mastering discipline, how to never blow your account again, learn how to trust yourself while staying cool, calm, and collected. This is what helped one of my students turn $4, as you can see, yes, to $275. That is not Photoshop. You can see he's saying right here, I followed the playbook through a Hail Mary. Shout out for all you do. This is why I always say follow the flow price and not chase price. His last dollars, he was damn near, he basically blew his account. And because he followed my teachings, trusted the playbook, he was able to turn a $4 account to almost $300 account. It's literally that simple, y'all. I made all the mistakes, so you don't have to make the mistakes. Instead, just learn from my mistakes and be successful quicker. So if you're interested in learning how to consistently not only grow your accounts, but consistent $500 to $1,000 days, click that first link in the description, watch the free trading crash course. Or if you already know you're ready to get in and lock in with me, click the link to go join Playmaker University or the one-on-one sessions, and I'll see you on the other side. Shout out to the Playmakers, man. Now, Advanced Play Signal, we literally just had a 100% win rate last week, and this is the exact same strategy I teach in the one-on-one sessions and in Playmaker University that averages not just a 90% win rate on a weekly basis, but also on a monthly and quarterly basis as well. You see right here, 16-1, 94% win rate. You see here another 100% win rate on the week. We go to a whole nother month. You see here how we ended Q1 this year, 44-5, giving us a 90% win rate, 17-3 January, 14-1 February, March, 13-1. And if we go to how we ended last year, 2024, we literally went 181 wins, 23 losses, averaging an 89% win rate all 12 months combined, averaging less than 2 losses per month. You're not going to find any other mentorship or signal service that does stuff like this. And not only do I call accurate signals, but I give you my entry, my S cells, my TPs. I notify you when the TPs get hit. I give y'all updates in the trades, and I drop a New York price watch list showing y'all what price is doing in that trade we're in, as well as what to expect and anticipate going into New York session, as well as other possible sets going into New York session. I go over whether you should look for buys or sells. I go over specific price points and all of that good stuff, y'all. And you'll also get the Advanced Play Signal for completely free when you sign up and apply for one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions, I make sure you earn while you learn. So not only do I teach my exact same strategy on a Zoom call on the charts just like this, but you get one session a week. Each session is an hour long, recorded and sent to you the same day. Those recordings are yours to keep for life, y'all. So you definitely get a huge return on investment, as well as you get access to the student member group chat and the Advanced Play Signal room. So if you're interested in your trading to the next level, you know exactly what to do. Hit those links in the description, y'all. If you want to contact me directly, you can DM me on Instagram, TikTok, or Telegram. I respond to all messages. See y'all in the university, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace. We out.